guys, what's up? So today is gonna be lots of fun. I am hosting a little Valentine's Day party that I'm really excited about. Probably not what you're expecting though. So I'm gonna dive in and tell you what we're gonna do and show you all the things. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so I put out a call to all of my kids' homeschool friends. They have little classes that they go to, and so I put out a little invite for all of their friends to come to a Valentine's Day party that we are going to be hosting today. And the point of this party is just to help encourage the kids on how they can do acts of kindness to show people that they love them and they cared for them for Valentine's Day. I know I've said before that I love Valentine's Day. It is my favorite holiday right behind Christmas, and it is for that reason, because it's an opportunity for us to show people that we actually really love them and we care about them. It's about being intentional with that. And so I really wanted to show my kids what that looks like how can they do that as a child, and talk about ways that we can do that. So I am going to bring you guys with us, but I'm not going to be recording all of that today just because I want to protect other people's privacy with their kids. Obviously, I'm not going to be recording other people's children or anything like that and showing it on YouTube. But I will show you a little bit of like how I'm going to set that up and show you guys exactly what we're going to do. And then hopefully you can replicate this. The whole purpose of my channel is to show you ways and inspire you to maybe do something similar. Maybe you can help your children do something like this, or maybe you can do it yourself. Simple ways, acts of kindness to reach out and show people that they're not invisible, that they're seen, and help them know that they're cared for. And so we're gonna go, the kids each picked out stuffed animals. This is the one my son picked out, which is really cute. And then this is the one my daughter picked out, which is also very cute for Valentine's Day. They're going to be with their friends making little gift bags to put these in. And they're gonna be making Valentine's Day cards today and just having fun with their friends. And then we are going to be giving these away. The point of this is not for them to keep their own stuffed animals. It's not even for them to give their stuffed animals to their friends. This isn't like an exchange gifts kind of situation. This is an opportunity for them to go up to another kid that they don't know, to a stranger, to bridge the gap between them and somebody else, and to reach out and show them that, hey, that they're seen, that they're not invisible, and that, look, I care for you, and I'm gonna give you an unexpected gift, because who doesn't like an unexpected gift for free? Like, that would make my day. That would make me so happy. And so they're gonna do that today. They're gonna make their gifts, make their cards, and they are gonna give their gifts away, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Hey guys, so today, we're in the car, so it may be a little loud and stuff, but today we're doing our Valentine's Day party, and I'm really excited, and I'm hoping I can give my toy out, because if you didn't know, we're going to be giving a toy to a stranger, and I want to give mine to a little girl, and I might be able to do that today, so I hope that goes good. And I'm really excited, and also because I'm going to see my friends at the park too, and it's going to be really fun.
Can you show me your card that you made? Nice. Cool. What's the inside look like? Oh, a unicorn. Cool. Hey you guys, we are back home and we had a lot of fun. We were there from like 12:30 to I think 3:30, so it was a nice long day. Leo, Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you talk about who you gave your thing to and like maybe a little bit of what happened?
So I paired up with my friend Sarah, and I gave my toy to a little girl, and I asked her dad if I could, and he was like so happy, and he said, I feel really blessed, and it made me happy to see that he liked it and that she liked it.
Yeah, he was blown away, right? He was like,
yeah.
What? This is crazy. And actually, because what happened was a lot of the adults, when the kids gave their gifts to another kid, a lot of the parents of those kids were just not, you know, they thought maybe kids were just giving gifts away and not asking their parents, like stealing gifts and giving them away. So what I had to do, and what some of the other moms and dads had to do, well, moms, is go and let those parents know, like, no, we are doing acts of kindness and these are for your kids, and it's just to be a blessing to you. And then like they were blown away, and that only happened a couple times, but a lot of parents were just like so thankful and just like, oh my goodness, wow, that's so cool. And you know, it was just fun to see. It was fun to see their reactions, and it was seriously, it went really fast. Like most of the gifts like were gone in no time. There was tons of kids at the park, so most of the kids did that. They gave their gifts away right then and there, and it was a lot of fun. So Leia, how many kids do you think came today? We had quite a good group. At least 20. She's trying to count, I think.
Maybe at least 15.
Even the little kids though? Because even the little kids gave their gifts away.
At least 20 then, maybe.
Anyways, it was probably somewhere between 15 and 20. We definitely didn't count them or anything, but there was a good group of kids. So if you can imagine that many kids, and then each of those kids giving their gifts away to somebody else. So it was a lot of fun. A lot of kids got gifts at the park today. And thank you, Layel. She wants to go play her games now. Goodbye. With her kitty. Look how big Chai is getting, you guys. It's been a while since I've showed her on here. Isn't she getting big? She's so cute.
And she's getting fatter and cuter.
Levi, you're here now. You're gonna tell us about giving your gift away? What? You always talk about how you want to do videos when you grow up, but you can't be a mom? I'm not gonna make you if you don't want to be.
Well, I gave it to this.
You gotta come be in the camera, honey.
Well, I gave it to a kid. I was pushing on his swing. So he asked if I could push him on this. So I just gave it to him because it was the end of the party and I just still had it. I was gonna bring it to our house to give it to somebody else, somewhere else. And I gave it to him, and his mom said that he can't take it. So we had to go over. Yeah, so the one that he gave his gift to was one of the parents was just like, no, you have to go give that back. You have to go give that back. Like she just thought like, you know, who knows, like he took it from a birthday party or something. And so she thought that she was telling her boy like he had to go bring it back. And then I went and talked to her, and then she was like really excited and just so thankful because she realized like, no, it was actually a gift for him. Hey you guys, I just wanted to get on really quick. I'm basically, my hair is a disaster and I'm a complete mess, but I'm actually editing this video right now. And something really cool happened yesterday when we got home from the park, and that is another friend of mine who came to the park that day, brought her kids to participate in the Valentine's Day event. She's also in a mom's group on Facebook. So when she got home, she saw on Facebook that this was posted. I'm going to show it to you guys here in just a second. And actually it was the person who received the gift from my son had posted just saying how thankful she was for the gift and how much it encouraged her and her son and encouraged them to start doing acts of kindness now. So you guys can read that post and just see how, man, that stuff just encourages me so much. I'm just so thankful for all the moms who came, who brought their kids, who were willing to go buy gifts that they knew would just go to somebody they don't know, and just teaching their kids to be selfless in that way. It was just so awesome. I know that it really encouraged my kids. It helped them bond.
it pumped them up. Man, your kids will be so happy to be able to give a gift to somebody else. Like, it makes them so happy. It makes them shine. And my son was beaming after he saw this post. I'm going to show you guys. And I let him read it and see what happened. He was beaming the rest of the day. Like, he, you know, was strutting around the house. He like felt so cool. And that is everything. Like, that is so fun. And I know next time I ask him to do, if he wants to do something like that, like, he's gonna be so excited. And that's the whole point. And so I just wanted to get on and share that with you guys. Hi, Chai. She's my buddy when I'm in my room. I just wanted to share that with you guys because it was really, really cool, and that was the whole point. And I really want my Facebook page to not be about me. Like, I cannot emphasize enough how much that this is not about me. I really want it to be a group effort. I want us to be a community. I want you to feel connected to the things I do, and likewise, I want to be connected to you and encourage you to go do acts of kindness. So here's what I'm just going to ask you guys. If you ever copy any of the acts of kindness I do, or if you even are inspired to do something else and you don't mind tagging me in those posts, please tag me, Danielle M, whether you're on Instagram, whether you're on Facebook, whatever it is, and then I will repost those on my pages. If you're willing to make those go public, I would love to share whatever it is you did. And again, it's not because we want recognition, but it's because we want to inspire other people, let other people see how easy it is and how fun it is. And it's so great. And also, if there's ever anything that you're like, you know what, I don't know how this could be done, but it seems like a really cool idea, then tag me in those things too. If you just have an awesome idea, or write it down below in my comments and just be like, hey, Danielle, I'm going to challenge you to do this act of kindness, because I would love to do some of those and show you how it is done, and let you watch me and my kiddos be crazy and going out there and doing fun, cool acts of kindness. So I am very, very... Wait, hi. So I'm just really encouraged and excited, and I'm so thankful for each of you who watch these videos, and I hope you are encouraged to go do some of these things yourself. All right, you guys, I'll get back to the video. And so that was fun. And yeah, I encourage you guys to do this. Honestly, you can do it with anything. Even just encourage your kids, especially for Valentine's Day, just to go out and say something nice. We as adults should be setting that kind of example of just loving on people, not because we expect anything in return. It's just selfless love, showing people that they matter, that they're not invisible. Something I really talked with the kids about today is there's a lot of kids out there who just feel like nobody sees them, and not only kids but adults, right? They just feel invisible and like people don't care about them, people don't see them. And so we get that blessed opportunity to show people that they're not invisible, that they are seen, that they are cared for. And it might just be one small little act, but it's something, and I truly believe that those little somethings add up to make a big difference. And I'm just excited for the future and what's gonna happen. So thanks for joining me. Bye.